Have you ever wondered how your ears help you hear sounds? Sound travels through the air as vibrations. First, the outer ear collects these sound waves and sends them inside. The eardrum begins to vibrate, and tiny bones in the middle ear make the vibration stronger. Next, the vibrations reach the cochlea, a spiral-shaped part of the inner ear. Here, special cells change vibrations into electrical signals. Finally, these signals travel through the auditory nerve to the brain, and your brain recognizes them as sounds, music, or voices. That's how the amazing human ear works.
Sound waves travel through the air and reach our ears. The outer ear, called the pinna, collects these sound waves and directs them into the ear canal. This is the first step in the hearing process. Without the pinna, it would be harder for us to catch sounds from around us. After entering the ear, sound waves travel through the ear canal. The ear canal acts like a tunnel, guiding the sound deeper into the ear. The waves continue moving until they reach the eardrum, ready for the next stage of hearing. Sound waves travel through the ear canal and reach the eardrum. The eardrum is a thin membrane that vibrates when sound waves hit it. Just like a drum vibrates when it is struck, the eardrum vibrates with sound. Fast vibrations create high-pitched sounds, while slow vibrations create low-pitched sounds. After the eardrum vibrates, 3 tiny ear bones begin to move. These bones are called the malleus, incus, and stapes. They pass the vibrations from one to another and make the sound stronger. The stapes then sends the vibrations through the oval window into the inner ear, where the next stage of hearing begins. Next, the vibrations enter the cochlea, a spiral-shaped part of the inner ear. Inside the cochlea are tiny hair cells that move with the vibrations. These hair cells change the vibrations into electrical signals. The signals then travel through the auditory nerve to the brain, where sound can be understood. Inside the cochlea, sound vibrations are changed into electrical signals. These signals travel through the auditory nerve to the brain. The brain quickly understands these messages and turns them into sounds we recognize, like music, voices, laughter, and more. That's how your ear and brain work together to help you hear. So, how do we hear? First, sound waves travel through the air and enter the outer ear. They move through the ear canal and make the eardrum vibrate. Tiny bones then amplify these vibrations and pass them to the cochlea. The cochlea changes them into electrical signals, which travel to the brain. Finally, the brain understands these signals as sounds. And that's how hearing works. And that's how our amazing ears help us hear the world around us. Did you learn something new today? Then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Daily Spark for more fun and easy science videos.